We're going to do a self-binding baby blanket and do a miter corner. I found the middle points of all 4 of my sides and I put a pin in it. So on each of your squares, take a marking pen, just mark a line 1/4 of an inch. On all 4 corners, I'm going to line up my 2 pins. I'm just going to join my front and my back together. So you need to leave an opening. I'm going to have you sew, and then you're going to stop right there.
But you work from the middle out
From
on
the
both
middle,
sides.
Yep.
Okay.
All the way around. Now we're going to do our miters with the raw edges together and fold it to the corner. I'm going to use the lines on my ruler, and I'm going to draw a line from the stitching where we stop all the way across. I'm going to trim this off 1/4 inch, and then we're going to turn it right sides out. We'll take it to the iron, and we will top stitch around here to hold it into place, or you can use a decorative stitch, and then you press it really good.